This is worksheet 7.2, and I'm doing in this video 23, 25, and 27, which is to sketch a graph of each parabola using 5 points, and then to state the type of roots and the number of roots. Before we sketch the graph of this parabola, let's identify the vertex. The vertex in this equation would be 3, 1. So in our table, I'm going to choose two values of x greater than that and two values of x that are less than that. Okay, plugging into our equation, 1 minus 3 is negative 2 squared is 4 plus 1 is 5. Plugging 2 in would give us 1 plus 1, which is 2. 4 would give us 1 squared plus 1, which is 2. And 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 squared, 4 plus 1 is 5. So let's plot those values. Now looking at the graph, we can determine the number of roots. Here, the parabola does not intersect the x-axis, so we call these imaginary roots. In number 25, the vertex of this parabola is at 2, 0. So this would be our table of values. Okay, plugging in to find the y value, this would be 4. When x equals 1, you get 1. When x equals 3, you get 1. And when x equals 4, you get 4. Alright, so on this graph, the parabola is intersecting the x-axis. These are real roots because we are intersecting the x-axis, and it only intersects the x-axis once. So there is only one root. On 27, our vertex is at 0, 1. And then be careful when you're evaluating the y values. This is negative x squared. You want to square the x before you multiply by negative 1. So negative 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. This would give us negative 1 plus 1, which is 0. Negative 1 plus 1, which is 0. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So go ahead and graph those points. And then this parabola does intersect the x-axis, so these are real roots. And it intersects the x-axis at 1 and negative 1, so we have two real roots.